Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have live swatches on some nail polishes from Jessie Monroe Nail Care. I received some new shades from Jessie Monroe Nail Care, and today I will be showing you live swatches on these 4 colors that were sent to me. So thank you so much, and I do have to say that I already swatched all of them and I really love every single color. So I will definitely recommend you to go and check out these nail polishes. I will link for you everything in the description box in case if you are interested in purchasing any of these colors. And I really love the formula on these polishes. The brush on this is absolutely awesome. It's a little bit wider, but it's not difficult to work with. And all of these polishes were opaque on 2 coats, except for the glitter. You will see my swatches, I only did 1 coat over a white nail polish, but these polishes are gorgeous and I would highly recommend you checking out them. If you do enjoy live swatch videos, then please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then please hit the subscribe button before you leave. So I do hope you guys will enjoy my video, and as I said, everything will be linked for you in the description box. But if you do have any additional questions, please leave them for me in the comment section. Keep watching the live swatches, and thank you guys so much for all your support, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.